Hey guys, so now I'm about to do a little hair change for you. We're gonna do a second iconic look that Ursula Andress was very known for. And she really did that half up, half down kind of thing. So a little girly, but yet sexy. So right now I'm just gonna pull half of this up and the other half is gonna be down. Pretty simple. Okay, so now I've pulled the hair vertically upward and back right over the top of where our little wiglet is. This is kind of what that looks like. And then when you pin it, you're pinning it to right there. So it's really cute, but yet it's sexy because you have it set and tousled. I've secured it with a big, long bobby pin called a steeplejack, if you like, to close it. So I'm using one end and shoving it this way. And then you crisscross it the exact same way on the other side to keep them crisscrossed, and the pins are going to lock in. So then to hide my pins and make it look cute, I'm just going to wrap a little bit of hair back and forth over the pin area. So I just took the hair and I wrapped it around in a circle, my pins that were exposed, and it almost hooks it. And then you just take little pins, you secure a little loop, a cute little ending to your Ursula hairdo.